Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha and I'm your host with Tea Cooked with FLAVE. Today we're in the kitchen and we are making some chocolate tea from scratch. Stay tuned. I have 4 cups of water here that is already preheated. I'm gonna go ahead and add a teaspoon of salt, and then I'm adding 2 pieces, well it looks like 3 but it's really 2 pieces of cinnamon leaves, and the cinnamon is gonna give the water some flavor. And I have my chocolate balls here. Okay, usually I would grate them. However, a friend of mine told me, you know what, Tanisha, you don't need to grate them anymore. You could just drop them in the water and they will dissolve. So let's see. So I'm putting 2 chocolate balls. My stove is on 7. So this is just gonna melt the water. So let's allow it to do that. This is a very simple recipe. It's a drink that growing up in Jamaica, I would have every Sunday morning. My grandmother would make sure that this is what we would drink. Very tasty. It's also my comfort food. I like to make this whenever it's raining outside and I just feel like I want a nice cup of chocolate tea. This is my go-to. A lot of people don't like to make it because they feel like it takes so much time. There's so many steps, there's not. So this is very easy. You see the water starting to change color to that nice chocolate color. The ball is melting away. So you're just gonna allow that to melt before you start adding in your other ingredients. So let's give it a few more minutes. The smell of this. Now you can get this chocolate balls, you could purchase it at any West Indian stores. Most of them have it. If you have like a Bravo in your area, you can find it there. I'm pretty sure Amazon has it. So you can get this and try it out and tell me what you think. So yeah, the ball is melting and this is turning into a nice chocolate color. So we're just gonna allow it to melt. My chocolate is melted. Now we're gonna go in and add some coconut milk. And if you wanna see exactly how I made this coconut milk, go ahead and click the link in my description box. You can also use the powdered coconut milk, or you can use the canned coconut milk. I just prefer it with the original coconut milk, but if there are times when I have used the packed coconut milk because I'm in a hurry, or I just don't feel like doing the whole steps of making the coconut milk. Now that I've added the milk, I'm gonna turn my stove down to maybe like about 4 because I want to give it some time to boil. I'm gonna be adding some vanilla. I'm gonna do like a teaspoon. All right, so while it's on low heat, I'm gonna allow it to boil for about 7 to 10 minutes. So we're just gonna cover it, allow it to boil for 7 to 10 minutes, and then I'll show you how I sweeten it. What I wanted to point out to you, I don't want you to go too far away from your stove because it depends on how much you have in the pot. If you cover it, it can boil over and you don't want that. All right, so every now and then you want to just check it, make sure that it's not gonna boil over on you. You can also lower the heat. It's coming into its own here. It smells so good. For those of you who live in the cold, this is a perfect drink to make. If you don't feel like getting the ready done chocolate, the Swiss and the other ones, this is perfect. I promise you, you're gonna love this. So I'll cover it down and I'll revisit this in like 2 more minutes and then we're gonna be done. Our chocolate tea is almost ready. I'm gonna be sweetening with my condensed milk and also sugar. I'm not gonna tell you how much to use. That's solely up to you. And then you sweeten to your liking. And that's it. I'm just gonna place this in, let's use my large strainer. But you wanna strain it before you drink. Thank you guys so much again for watching. I really appreciate you. Make sure that you leave a comment and hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already done so. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.